Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Facebook quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Facebook account. Navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on the downward arrow. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. Scroll down to the Ad Spend section to access budgeting tools. Click on Ads Manager for more detailed budget options. Once in Ads Manager, look for the Create button to start a new campaign. Choose your campaign objective based on your goals. After selecting an objective, proceed to the Budget and Schedule section. You can select between a daily budget or a lifetime budget. Enter your desired budget amount in the specified box. Ensure you review the estimated reach that corresponds to your budget. Once you're satisfied with your budget, click Continue. In the ad set level, set your audience and placements. Review your ad settings, including format and creatives. When everything is in place, click Publish to launch your campaign. Monitor your campaign performance through Ads Manager to adjust your budget as needed. Consider setting reminders to reassess your budget biweekly or monthly. Utilize Facebook's analytics to gauge the effectiveness of your budgeting strategy. Adjust your spending based on what works best for your objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.